So recently, Instagram rolled out some changes. I think it's to their API or some other jargon. But basically what it means is anyone with a Instagram block on their Squarespace website, it's no longer going to pull in new data. So the blocks aren't going to work anymore. What you need to do is re-sign in, and that will re-establish the connection. And then the Instagram block will work again. So I'm just going to really quickly run you through what you need to do, what it looks like, and then how to get that live on your site. As I said before, if you've got the Instagram block on your Squarespace website, you're going to have to resync it up. So, I'm on the site here. Let's imagine I've got an Instagram block just under here. So we'll drop this down and we're going to add the Instagram block just under here. So let's stretch this out. And we want posts to pull in. So all you've got to do is double click on and then choose an account, add an account, and it's going to bring up the Instagram login. It should be a pop-up. It's not a pop-up anymore. It's just takes you to Instagram.com, which is fine. Click on allow. And that's going to bring you back into Squarespace. It's going to say account connected, and then it's going to load up all of your photos in here. So we'll give that a second to populate, and there we go. So it's going to pull in, what a lovely, lovely thumbnail, Samuel. So it's going to pull in your Instagram posts. The only downside here is that I don't have any of these reels on my main grid. I have a main grid with photographs like this, and then I have the reels on the separate reels part. With the Instagram block, you can't choose whether it pulls in just reels or just profile grid posts, or all of them together. But that is what it is. You're just gonna have to deal with it, unfortunately, at the moment. Anyway, you can then choose to style this however you want, depending on what you usually post. If it's mostly reels, then you're going to want to go with the vertical. If it's mostly standard posts like this, then you're going to want square. Now, this isn't a video about styling. It's just about reconnecting your Instagram. So that is how to do it. If you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.